Legacy Sports International has a major hit in the lineup with the Puma 1911-22. The Puma is fabricated on the popular 1911 model. It's a .22 caliber semi-automatic single-action pistol. It features a checkered wood stock for a durable and comfortable feel while shooting. As for safeties, it features a manual safety, keyed hammer block, and a push safety. It also has fixed front sights and an adjustable dovetail rear sight for accurate shooting. With a 5-inch barrel, the Puma 1911 is 8 1/4 inches long and weighs about 2.5 pounds. The Puma 1911 comes with one 10-round magazine, giving it a 10+1 capacity.
You know, what I like about this Puma in a .22 caliber is the fact that it makes an excellent companion gun if you have a full-size 1911 or 45.